Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how teacher can disable screen sharing option in Google Meet. Yes, Google Meet announced 4 new updates. Let's see what is the updates. Yes, number 1. Teacher can view all students. Before that the tile option will be 16, but now they increased 49 tiles. Yes, this is a new update. Without installing any extension, we can update their tiles. And number 2, we can disable screen sharing option for the students. Number 3, teacher can disable chat option for the students. Yes, number 4, teacher can disable anonymous entries. These 4 updates are without installing any extension. Google Meet is provided for us. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Just log in your Gmail account. Just go to Google Meet. Yeah, so meet.google.com. So now I would like to create a meeting. Just click join and start meeting. I just click a demo meeting. So I have made a demo meeting. Just click continue. Yes. So check your camera and microphone. Just click join now. So now I can able to see my camera and mic is working properly. Here they are given a new different kind of updates. Yes, the first one, in your more option in your right hand side 3 dots, you will find first option is change layout. Once you click the change layout, it will show auto, tiled and spotlight and slide bar. Here they mentioned before 16 tiled, now they increased above 49 tiles. You can able to see 49 students in your class. So that style will be display all your students. Yes. Number 2. So in your meeting here, this is my meeting details. So if I want to copy or I can invite through email or WhatsApp anything. So I can copy my meeting link, I can share with my students. Here they have given the 3 options: quick access, share the screen and send chat messages. So they are given the meeting safety. They're given like a shield option, blue color shield option with the secure reason. Yes, now I have copied my meeting link. I would like to share with my students. Imagine I'm going to show double screen with one is teacher's view, one is student's view. So this is a teacher view and this is a student's view. I have made it. Yeah. So teacher's view is asking admit a student. I just admit the students. Yeah. I just think. Yeah. So I have admitted my student. This is a teacher's view. This is a student view. Yes. So here there is a first option which is given you. So here the first option they have given you the stop anonymous entries. For example, quick access. If you want to ask every student should admit automatically, means just on that. So your class will get soon. Come immediately, join immediately, means the quick access will be on. If you want to stop quick access, just hit the toggle button. It will switch off, means no students will enter without your permission. That is, you are host. Your permission they cannot able to enter in your meeting. Number 1. And number 2, so for example, I would like to share screen. The students would like to share the screen, or students may click and share the screen if you are taking online classes. For example, students can, this is a student view. The students can select and share the screen. So automatically the teacher will get the disturbance. So students is shared the screen, means the teacher will get the disturbance. Yes. So how teacher can stop share option in a Google Meet? Yes, teachers would like to disable this option to the student. Once they click the security, that is a meeting security link will be meeting safety, just they can share the screen, just click. So off, if they off means this is a student's view, so students cannot able to share their screens. So the host can share their screen. Yes, this is a teacher's view. Host can share the screen, but students cannot able to share the screen. You can take peacefully online classes, number one. And the second one, if students will send the message, for example, unwanted messages they may send. So similarly, they have sent means the teacher will get irritated. So the teacher would like to stop a comment option. So the chat option they want to switch off. Just hit the button. The chat option will be switched off. Yeah. Now you can check. Click a chat option. Automatically the chat is not available at this time because your teacher is switched off your chat option. The host can have the privilege to have without asking the host. The students cannot able to chat with anyone. So this is an easy option. So once they complete their class, they can switch on the chat option. The students can able to give their message. Yeah, so they can give the message means they will receive the message. If they switched off means it won't be reply. Yes, once the teacher is giving permission to the students to share the screen and give the information means once they switched on, so that students will get the privilege to share their screen. So this is an easy option that Google is providing us with a different kind of update. They have made it from their side. Yeah. So now I would like to show you. Just hit the button. You want to see the overall security, meeting safety. Just hit view all host setting. Once you click means automatically it will display here the toggle options which you want enable or disable. When turn off the quick access, only people can invite, the host can join without asking. Everyone else must ask to join, including people who dialed, and people cannot join anonymously, and only host can dial the meeting. Yeah, and let's everyone share the screen or chat. So there is a 4 options, 4 updates that Google is given. The 3 is this one and 4th one is tiled. So the layout is around 49 members we can able to see in the class. So the teacher wants to see all students in one screen means they can use this option. So this is an easy way to the Google Meet is given a different kind of updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.